The Supreme Court has made a significant decision that could impact the lives of many transgender students across the nation. In a recent ruling announced on Wednesday, the court declined to meet a request from South Carolina officials that aimed to prevent a transgender boy from utilizing the boys' restrooms at his school. This decision is particularly noteworthy in light of growing legislative efforts aimed at restricting access to bathrooms aligned with students. Gender identities. The Supreme Court's brief order, which denied an emergency petition from South Carolina, clarified that this ruling does not address the legal merits of the broader issues involved in the ongoing case. Interestingly, 3 conservative justices, Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, and Neil Gorsuch, expressed their view that they would have supported the state's request, a point that may stir debate among court observers and the public. The sole question that the Supreme Court was tasked with considering at this juncture was whether a 9th grade student, referred to in the legal documents as John Doe, should be permitted to use the boys' restrooms while the legal battles are underway. In an effort to limit bathroom access for transgender students, South Carolina lawmakers have included stipulations in budget bills that threaten to withdraw financial support from schools failing to comply with these restrictions. In response, Doe's family has filed a lawsuit claiming that these measures infringe upon the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, which mandates equal application of laws for all individuals. They further argue that such actions violate Title IX, a federal statute that prohibits discrimination in educational environments. The federal judge overseeing the case in South Carolina has yet to make a definitive ruling on the substantial legal questions at hand. Previously, the judge declined to grant Doe's request to use the restroom that aligns with his gender identity, while the case is still pending. Adding another layer of complexity, in August, the 4th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, based in Richmond, approved a similar request, prompting state officials to seek intervention from the Supreme Court. As the new term of the Supreme Court approaches next month, justices will also be examining a pivotal case concerning laws that bar transgender athletes from participating in women's and girls' sports at both high school and collegiate levels. This ongoing controversy raises important questions about identity, rights, and inclusion in America's educational and athletic frameworks. Now, let's reflect. What are your thoughts on the implications of such rulings? Do you believe it's essential for schools to honor a student's identified gender when it comes to restroom access? Your opinions could help shape this crucial conversation.